Hi everyone. Today I would like to show a tutorial of how I use RoyalQ. RoyalQ is an app that helps with crypto trading on Binance Spot. I am not providing financial services or an investment professional, and this is not investment advice. Do your own research. My content is intended to be used and must be used for entertainment purposes only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances. I will go through on how to activate the bot step by step. Let me get into how this bot works. RoyalQ uses an API provided from your Binance account so that it is able to trade spot for you. There is no leverage or margin call because it is spot. This bot costs 100 USDT per year. The strategy that RoyalQ uses is a dollar cost averaging strategy. Now, I will get into how to start using this bot. First, you have to create a Binance account and a RoyalQ account, and download the RoyalQ app on either Play Store or App Store. I will provide links below so that you will be directed there easily. Do keep in mind that RoyalQ is made by a Chinese developer, therefore you might see some Chinese characters. Just change the language if necessary. Next, log in to both your RoyalQ account and Binance account. Before creating an API, you will need to have two-factor authentication enabled on your account. After logging into your Binance account, click API Management in the User Center drop-down box. After entering the API Management page, input a label or name for your API key and click Create. Complete the security verification stage depending upon your two-factor authentication. After creating your API, check that for your API restrictions, you only have Enable Reading and Enable Spot and Margin Trading checked. This will prevent the RoyalQ bot from doing anything else. Once you have created the API on Binance, head over to RoyalQ app and at the home page, tap on API Binding. Tap on Binance and enter the API key and secret key provided from Binance. The verification code will be sent to your email. Once binded, it should say that it is bound. If you head over to Quantify, at the bottom it should show the amount of USDT you have in your Binance account. Next, let me talk about the activation fee for this bot. This bot costs 100 USDT per year, but no doubt will definitely earn more than its cost. However, this bot also uses a fuel cost whenever they open a trade. Therefore it is necessary to transfer some of your USDT into this RoyalQ wallet from your Binance account. I would recommend transferring about 130 USDT first. The 100 USDT for your activation, and 30 USDT for the fuel. Rest assured that the fuel they use is very minimal. After activating, there should be a professional edition switch that you can click to toggle it on. Complete the risk test by clicking on the options and it should prompt the correct answers. Once you're done with it, head over to Quantify so that we can start using our bot. On Quantify, it will show all the coins that are provided so that you can choose which coins you would like to trade. Personally, I trade coins that I would actually want to hold so that in any case where the market turns bear, this bot will help me to buy the coins at the dip. For example, I would like to buy Matic, so I would tap on Matic and tap Transaction Settings. The first order amount is the amount of USDT I would use to buy Matic at. I keep double open position switched off. Next, the number of calls I set is 7 times. What this means is that once my first positions drops to a certain percentage, another buy order would be triggered to lower down my dollar cost. You can set it to however many times you want the buy order to happen, but personally I like my number at 7. Next, the take profit ratio is how much you would like the position to close at for a profit. Earnings callback is used such that if the price spikes up past the take profit ratio, it will not trigger the take profit yet. It will let the profit ratio continue to rise until where at the highest point it drops by 0.3%, then it will close the position. This will help to make sure that it is able to capture as much profit as possible. The same goes for callback, but callback is used for the dollar cost averaging instead. If it ever dips past my first call, it will not just open a position at where I set the next buy order to trigger, It will also continue to go to the bottom of the price, and when it rebounds 0.5%, then it will trigger the next buy order. I have turned on my advanced settings to show everyone how it looks like. For example, when my price dips below a 3.5%, the bot will get ready to trigger the next buy order. However, the order is not triggered yet as it is still trying to figure out how low the percentage can go. Therefore, once there is a callback of 0.5%, then it will trigger the dollar cost averaging. These are my settings for now. Margin call multiple is used so that it brings down the average price drastically to go for a fast closure. It will multiply itself by the first order amount, which is $10 for now. After the settings are done, click on the Confirm button. Then you can start the trade by clicking Start Up. Personally, I myself would only use 2% of my USDT to enter a trade position, so I can have more USDT left aside for my dollar cost averaging if the market dips. This will be the end of today's video. Do click the like and subscribe button, and if there are any questions, drop a comment so that I can help you guys out. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned.